Okay, good morning, students. Today, in the chapter Relations and Functions, we are going to learn about the composition of functions here. So, before that, consider a three set, dear functions, dear students. Consider a three sets here. A set, which contains the number of cities here, which contains the some cities here. Okay, this A set contain a cities here, and B set contains nations. Okay, name of the nations here and also cities. A set contains cities, B set contains nations, and C set contains continents. Okay, continents, name of the continents here. Okay, see students, if 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 I give a enter if I give a input Delhi as a Delhi for this A in Delhi ಅಲ್ವಾ, Delhi enter ಮಾಡಿದರೆ then I will obtain the output ನನಗೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ I will obtain the output that is Delhi belongs to the which nation? India. I will obtain the output here India. Okay, India. I will obtain the output here India. Under the function f under the function f here means ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದು. ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ I am giving a input here Delhi. I will obtain the output as India. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ I will this India acts as a domain, means this B set acts as a domain for the another function here. Okay, I will give a input as a India. If I give a input as India, then I will obtain continent C function. I will obtain a C function here continent. Okay, I will obtain output as a continents here. India belongs to which continent? Asia. C, Asia. Okay, so this function is goes under the function G. This will be goes under the function G here. I am giving here India as a input. I am getting here Asia as a continent. I am getting a continent here, no, Asia. This function, it will under the function G here. This function is under G. Okay, this is a G function here. See, hagara let's see, f is a function from where to where? A to B. See, f is a function from A to B, and this is a G function, no? G is a function from where? B to C. Okay, dear students, we another chance is there. I am getting see another chance is there means how, what is the chance, what is that chance, ಯಾವ್ದು chance? If I enter input as Delhi I will get output as directly continent. Its continent means this Delhi belongs to the which continent? Asia continent. Big. Okay, I will getting here directly Delhi to Asia, no? I am getting directly output as a Asia here for the input Delhi. Agare this function this function is going under which function? It is, we call it as a GOF. Okay, GOF function. See here, if I enter Delhi, I am getting directly here Asia. I am getting here directly output as a Asia, no? This function is C, GOF function. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? See, I am giving C. This is A set, this one is B set, this one is C. I am entering a X Delhi here, X element. Then I am getting a f of x here, means India. Input is Delhi, output is f of x. This f of x acts as a input value for the G function. Here f function A to B is f function, B to C is for the G. For the G function f of x is a domain input value, and I will get a continent here. Which continent? Asia continent. means g of f of x. Okay, this g of, this will goes under g of f of x, g of f of x, we called it as a gof. This gof function is called as a composition of function, dear students. This gof function is called as a composition of functions. Composition of functions, students. So this gof function is called as composition of function. No, what do you mean by composition of function, dear students? What do you mean by composition of function? If f function from a to b and g from b to c be two functions, then the composition of f and g is denoted by gof, is defined as the function gof from a to c. See, I am getting here directly a to c. See, this is a function, a to c. I am getting gof function here. Means gof is goes under gof function is gof function from a to c. Here the a ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊಮೈನ್, ಸಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಯರ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಸಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸಿ gof function, no. So I am writing gof of x here, no. See, this gof of x means g of f of x here. I am writing as a g of f of x, where x belongs to which set? A set, no. X belongs to A set. Like this, dear students, for function is there under x, for function is there, and for means f is composite with itself, and gog g function is composite with itself. So we now we learn gof function and for function by the example now. Okay, gof function ಮತ್ತು for function ನ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು we will study that. We will study by taking an example. See students, function from n to n is defined by f of x is equal to 2x, and g is function from n to n defined by g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Find fog function and gof function. See, for the fog function, fog, how do we write it as f of g of x, no, f of g of x. Okay, see, okay, and gof function, how do we write it as g of f of x. Okay, g of f of x. First we learn, first we find out the g of gof function here. Gof function here. See, g of f of x. See, I am writing g. F of x is nothing but any f of x. F of x is equal to 2x, no. So I am writing 2x. Then it becomes g of 2x, no. So g of function ಏನಿದೆ, g of function is 3x plus 1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ g of 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? In the place of x I am going to substitute 2x here. Then 3 of 2x plus 1 means 3 to 6x plus 1, no. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಗಾಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1. So dear students, see, I will consider by giving example I will explain it. A set, consider A set here, and consider a B set here, and consider the C set. Okay, see, A is A to B is a function f from A to B, and B to C is a function under the function G, no. A to B, so A ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಗಾಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವಲ್ವ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ put here 1 here as a input. Put here 1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೋ 2x ಅಂದರೆ 2 1s 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಈ ಒನ್ ಡೊಮೈನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? 2 ರೇಂಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ 2 ಇಯರ್, 2 2s are 4. What is the range here? I am getting here 4. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ for the g function, b acts as a domain. b acts as a domain. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ g ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? g of x ಏನಿದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು? 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ g of 2. g of 2, what will you are going to get here? 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7. No. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ by putting a 4 here, 3 2s are 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13. No. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ for the input 2ಗೆ 7 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. for the input 4ಗೆ 13 I am getting for the function g ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಸಿ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? shall I get putting a 1? I will get putting input as a 1. I will get output 7 here. Let me check for the GOF function ಅಲ್ವಾ? GOF function ಈಗಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ GOF function ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? GOF function for x ನೋ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಏನಿದೆ? 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ in the place of x I am writing 1 here. No, f of 1. 6 into 1 plus 1. What I am getting here? 7. What I am getting here? 7. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸಿ putting a 1 here, I am getting a 7 here. Direct answer. Okay. Yes sir. Now what about g of f of 2? Okay, means g of 6x plus 1 alva. In the place of x I am substituting 2 here. 6 2s are 12 plus 1. What is the answer? I am getting here 13. See, input is here 2, output 13. Here input is 1, output is 7. See, input is 1, I am getting directly 7. Input is 2, I am getting directly. So for the GOF function, dear students. Next, for the fog function, dear students. Shall we move for the fog? FOG, fog. Okay, fog function. I will write it as f of g of x. No. Okay, f of g of x. अगर g of x function ಏನಿದೆ? g of x function ಏನಿದೆ? f of c. g of function is here 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Okay, g of function ಏನಿದೆ? g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ f of x function ಏನಿದೆ? 2x. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿ f of 3x plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ in the place of x I am going to substitute 3x plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 2 into 3x plus 1. 3 2s are 6x plus 2. I am getting here 6x plus 2. So this is a fog function. No, fog function 6x plus 2 is a fog function. So here g elements, g is a function. No, g ಗೆ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಬಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಜಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು? ಸೆಲ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಾಗ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2. ಸೊ 6 2s are 12 plus 2. What is the answer? You are getting here 14. Again fog 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ನೋ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 26 ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 2 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 4. ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 4 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 26. ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 2 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 14 here. ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 4 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 26 here. No, see, this is fog function set. Okay, what about the GOF function? GOF function, this one is GOF function. See, 1 comma 7, 2 comma 13. Fog function 2 comma 14 and 4 comma 26. Therefore fog is equal to GOF here? No, it never. Therefore it does not hold good commutative. Fog is never be equal to the GOF function. It never. So fog ಅನ್ನೋದು GOF ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore ಗಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಾಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಗಾಫ್ is nothing but is the composition of F and G. F and G. What about fog? Is the composition of G and F. G and F. For the Goff function, for the Goff, range of F, function F is a subset of domain of G. Okay, and for the fog function, range of G is a subset of domain of F, dear students. Okay students, today we learned about the composition of functions and examples regarding that composition. No, so thank you.